Hi guys, Wednesday again, another hobby vlog update. So this week I've managed to stream a couple of times, which has been good. I've made some progress on a couple of stale projects that I've had on my paint desk for a little while now, a long while in fact. So I've got a Plague Prince, I think from Age of Sigmar, that I started painting a while back. I'm going to give that to my dad. I've also got my Necron Nightbringer in a reasonable place, just the base to finish on that now, I think. On the Space Marines project, the Dark Angels project, we've got 10 Nemesis out of the door. I'm almost finished with the Dreadnought. The Aggressors are built and converted. The Inceptors are built and still need converting. The Blade Guard Captain is built, split into sub-assemblies and ready for painting and converted. And finally, Tor Garadon, the Belial conversion. I've thought about it a lot. I've done some sketches, and that's where I am with that so far. So I need to kind of start gluing bits together, getting it sub-assemblies, and do the trickier parts of the conversion. I've spent a little bit of time 3D modelling as well this week. A couple of bits and pieces that I wanted to print out, just to upgrade those aggressors, and a couple of other tweaks. The Dreadnought is a really good foundation for where I want to go with the rest of the Dreadwing. But I'll talk about that in the main video in a few weeks' time. And that's where I am. I feel like I've made good hobby progress. I've changed my studio around a little bit, so I've got better lighting now for when I'm painting. Great for streaming as well, and I've kind of cleared the area of any other distractions, which is brilliant. Much prefer it, much more focused on things. And that's it for this week. Right, new video coming on Saturday. It's another Dark Angels one. Some painting this time. Getting those intercessors done. Let's see how that goes. Okay guys, have a good hobby week. See ya.